Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You'll start by getting the basics ready and opening the camera app. First, make sure Chrome OS is updated so drivers and permissions work correctly. Once done, inspect the lens and any privacy cover. You want a clear view. Next, open the launcher, type camera, and tap to open it. You're in the app now, make sure the preview loads. If you see a black screen, wait a moment. Sometimes the camera initializes more slowly after an update. Now you'll configure the controls for the shot you want. Choose photo, video, or portrait mode. Each optimizes focus and depth differently. Then open settings to set resolution, enable grid lines for composition, set a 3 or 10-second timer, and check microphone settings for video. Use on-screen zoom and exposure sliders to fine-tune brightness and framing. If your Chromebook has both cameras, switch cameras to pick the best angle. These steps let you control quality and avoid surprises. Finish by capturing and saving your content correctly. Press the shutter for photos or record for videos. You can also press the spacebar as a quick shortcut. After capturing, tap the gallery preview or open files to find items in downloads. Move or back them up to Google Drive if needed. If the camera doesn't work, restart your Chromebook and then confirm camera app permissions in settings under privacy and security.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.